Where might the closest aliens to us live? This is the question you may have already asked yourself. The universe is immense, and we are far from knowing everything. There must be other civilizations like ours. This is the famous Fermi paradox. Why, while the Sun is younger than many other stars in our galaxy, we have never yet found traces of extraterrestrial civilizations? There must be extraterrestrial civilizations, but where are they? Where do the aliens closest to us live? Dear traveler, welcome. Today we are going to discover one of the star systems closest to ours, which seems to have the ideal conditions to host extraterrestrial life. On this journey, we will observe some remarkable stars that lie between TRAPPIST-1, 40 light-years away, and our solar system. When we arrive in the TRAPPIST-1 star system, we will study the star TRAPPIST-1a and the 7 exoplanets orbiting it. Together, we will see if this amazing planetary system, very similar to our own, could harbor alien life and what it would look like. But before leaving for a new adventure, think about liking the video and subscribing to the channel so you don't miss anything. Thank you, and hang on. Immediate takeoff to the TRAPPIST-1 star system. We are heading for TRAPPIST-1, located about 40 light-years from Earth. This star system in the Aquarius constellation is in our galaxy, the Milky Way. This should not surprise you. The Milky Way extends over several tens of light-years with a diameter of about 100,000 light-years, so we would have to travel many more kilometers than that to get out. Yes, when you look up at the night sky, all the stars you see are part of the Milky Way. Our spiral galaxy contains 300 to 400 billion stars, and even this figure is an estimate based on the mass and luminosity of our galaxy. There could be even more stars than we think. This is quite dizzying, knowing that the Milky Way is only one of billions of galaxies in our observable universe. On our way, we will cross hundreds of thousands of stars, some being brighter than others. Together, we will observe some of the most remarkable stars near our Earth. The journey begins now. First stop, Barnard's Star, 5.96 light-years from Earth. Barnard's Star is not the brightest star in our night sky. It is not even visible to the naked eye from Earth. It is also not the Shepherd Star, which is not actually a star. That's right, the Shepherd Star is none other than Venus, which can be seen shining from Earth. The title of brightest star goes to Sirius A, also called Alpha Canis Majoris, located a little further away, at 8.6 light-years from Earth. Barnard's Star is also not the closest star to us after the Sun. It is the Alpha Centauri star system, organized around 3 stars, which holds this record. Proxima Centauri has been the closest star to the Sun for 32,000 years already. It will remain so for at least that long. But as you know, the universe is constantly in motion. In thousands of years, all this will have changed. Proxima Centauri was recently studied with more attention when a rocky exoplanet, very similar to Earth, Proxima Centauri b, was discovered on August 24, 2016, in this star system. According to researchers, Proxima Centauri b would have a high chance of harboring extraterrestrial life. Barnard's star is the closest to the Sun after the Alpha Centauri triple system, so it is the fourth closest star to the Sun. We can also say that it is the closest single star to the Sun, since unlike the Alpha Centauri star system, it has no companion star. But then why is Barnard's star famous if it is neither the closest nor the brightest star? This star, which is part of the zodiacal constellation Ophiuchus, is the most studied red dwarf because it is the known star with the highest proper motion. The proper motion is the apparent motion of stars on the celestial sphere, as seen from Earth. The proper motion was discovered in 1718 by the British astronomer and engineer Edmund Halley, who had noticed that the positions of Sirius and Arcturus had moved since the measurements of the Greek astronomer Hipparchus 1,850 years earlier. The star was named after the American astronomer Edward Emerson Barnard, who discovered in 1916 that this star had a very high proper motion compared to other stars. The astronomer even claimed that Barnard's star had the largest proper motion in the sky, with a motion of 26 centimeters per year, or 10 inches. To give you an idea, this is equivalent to moving the width of a full moon every 180 years. Now that you know what makes Barnard's star so special, let's take a closer look. Barnard's star is very easy to observe because it is close to the celestial equator. Astronomers have therefore conducted numerous research on this red dwarf star, looking in particular for exoplanets. In 1963, the Dutch astronomer Peter van de Kamp, who had been working on Barnard's star for 25 years, announced that he had detected disturbances in the star's proper motion, which he believed to be due to two planets comparable in size to Jupiter. But these observations could never be confirmed. In the 80s and 90s, many searches were conducted to find planetary companions to Barnard's star, without success. At least this controversy allowed Barnard's star to become famous. A super-Earth may have been discovered in November 2018 around Barnard's star, reigniting the debate about it.